Breaking news. Something historic just happened in the world of Bitcoin and didn't come from Wall Street and didn't come from Silicon Valley. It came from the live free or die state, New Hampshire. Today, we're talking about a quiet revolution with explosive implications. New Hampshire has just become the first U.S. state to officially create a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Yes, you heard that right. The treasurer of New Hampshire is now legally empowered to hold Bitcoin and other digital assets on the state's balance sheet. Let that sink in for a minute. This isn't a tech startup. This isn't a DeFi protocol. This is a state-level government infrastructure taking a position in Bitcoin. And this move isn't happening in a vacuum. It aligns with federal-level initiative that was signed into law just 2 months ago in March 2025 by President Trump's executive order with the National Strategic Bitcoin Reserve. Sourcing its initial holdings from forfeited Bitcoin held by the U.S. Treasury, this marks the first time in U.S. history that Bitcoin is being treated not just a speculative asset, but as a strategic commodity, a digital gold. Now, New Hampshire is doubling down on that state level, making a bold statement. Bitcoin is no longer just a part of a private sector. It's entering the halls of government finance. So what does that mean? It means the game has changed. We're now witnessing the beginning of Bitcoin adoption by sovereign entities inside the United States, not just El Salvador, not just institutional hedge funds, but U.S. state treasury and potential soon public pension funds. This opens Pandora's box of possibilities. Will other states follow New Hampshire's lead? Maybe. Will Bitcoin become a hedge against inflation for state budgets? Possibly. Could states start mining Bitcoin with their excessive energy infrastructure? I hope so. And how will this reshape the battle between centralized monetary policy and decentralized money? This also raises geopolitical questions. If the Federal Reserve continues to inflate the dollar and the state actors begin diversifying into Bitcoin, we're potentially looking at a domestic divergence in monetary ideology, Bitcoin versus fiat, playing out between state and federal government. But make no mistake, this isn't just the beginning. If Bitcoin continues its trajectory towards 100K, 250K, or even 1 million over the next few years, New Hampshire may look like the smartest state in the union. They're not waiting for permission. They're not asking the SEC. They're not lagging behind in innovation. They're actually leading. So whether you're a Bitcoin maxi or crypto skeptic, or just someone trying to understand where financial world is heading, this moment is a landmark. New Hampshire's move is a signal, a crack in the dam. And as we've learned in crypto, first it happens slowly, then all at once. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe for more breakdowns in this video. What do you think? Will your state be the next to launch a Bitcoin reserve, or will they get left behind? I'm Zach from Subway, and this is your daily dose of the truth from beyond the blockchain podcast. Catch you on the next video.